extremely hot oven, fillet fish, some lemon, some butter, some olive oil, a few other little bits and pieces. I'm using sea bass. You can use any fish you want. This is super, super easy. And of course, you can see it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So the fish that I'm using today is sea bass. This is a fillet of sea bass, about 500 grams or about a pound. What we're going to do is we're going to get some lovely lemon on it, some butter, some garlic, some olive oil. We're going to pop it in the oven. It's done in no time. It's very simple. Before we get started, please get your oven on maximum heat. Get it nice and hot, preheated before it goes in. You can see that I'm using glass. You can use ceramic or you could use metal, long as it can go in the oven. Very simply, I've got here the juice of 1 lemon and the zest as well. So in that goes. Olive oil, half a cup. Here I've got a teaspoon each of thyme, salt and pepper. I'm just going to give that a little mix here. And then we can get that all over. Next up, I've got some butter. We're going to pop that on. It's about 2 tablespoons there. I've then got half a cup onion, half a cup tomato. Really hot oven. That size fish is going to be about 9 to 10 minutes. 9 to 10 minutes in an extremely hot oven. That is beautiful. Super fabulous. What I've done is I served that onto the plate and then I spooned some of the olive oil, butter on the top. Really delicious, really fast, super easy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.